Hi guys, it's Sid March and I am going to the market today. Tell me why every time I want to go to the market, no matter what I do, whether I try to dress in a wretched way, no matter what I do, I still get exploited and cheated. Whatever someone who had gone in my stead would get, at a higher quantity, I go and I get a less quantity. And so join me today. For some time now, I have been going with my auntie. And so it was a market day. I went with my auntie, as I said earlier, and it was quite a busy day. We first off went to get some wheelie, but I didn't purchase. And then we went to the fish side. I didn't purchase fish either. And then we went to another fish side, but I didn't purchase. And then we went to the meat. I didn't purchase. And then finally the veggie side. I love veggies so much, so I got some cocoyam for like 50 cedis as well. And here I was choosing. We went to get some onion, and then we finally got some pineapples, and we got so many other things that I could not show, but we went to get the provisions lastly. And then these were all the things that I bought. Finally, I got something that tasted like cocoa. It tasted so good. And then finally, I went home. I bought a disposable face mask, some tissues, some lip balms and sprays. I bought some naphthalene balls. I bought some tissue papers for the kitchen. I bought some Oreos, and the things that I'm exhibiting in this video is not a full reflection of the total number I bought. And so I bought some Lipton, some sugary drink. I bought some salmon. I also bought some tomatoes, and I realized that gosh, things were so costly now. And then I finally started putting them in place. Onions in place, the cocoyam in place, and then I put the veggies in some tissue. Now, climate education for the day. I just want you to know the Ziploc bags are not considered single-use plastics because you can use them over and over again, except you store meat inside of them. And then I also got some flour tortillas, and then I also got some chicken popcorn, and I got some chicken nuggets. And in the evening, my friend asked me to call him to wash his car, so I went ahead, and then we finally returned home. It was such an amazing day. On the 7th of March, I woke up to an amazing day. You can see me reading, and I went for a program. It was a fundraising event, but there was an acting aspect, so it was a very amazing moment for me. And then we finally left for the house, and I enjoyed every bit of that day. As I was heading home, I realized I was hungry, so I put some stuff together. I decided I would do some tortilla wraps. I started with my veggies. I added some salt, washed it thoroughly, and then added cold water. I cut my lettuce, my onions, and my carrots. And I love veggies, guys, so I started by frying my chicken popcorns because that was like the best protein I wanted, and some sausages too. And so I put them together. I did not have mayonnaise and ketchup, and I was so happy my food was almost getting ready. So I decided to put my flour tortilla. I also used the aromat, which was for the vegetables. It helped to give my vegetables some amazing taste. And so I started by toasting or whatever. I added my blended pear because I love pears so much, but I didn't want to have it to chew it. And then I added my veggies and my protein and everything that I had done into it, and this was the outcome, guys. It was so good. This is so amazing. Like, it was so good. I decided to add some pineapple juice, so I cut it, a little bit of ginger. I used the wrong blender, and then I added some ice, and I finally served it, guys. It was so amazing. So this was my dinner. It was so good. I know you're expecting to see Banku, but no, thank you, bye.